Alright, viewers, this is Road Dog. Alright, as you can see, I am back on Metallica. The last time I was on Metallica was in August. That's when I put up my last video. And in that video, I believe I explained to you that I was going to have rotator cuff surgery. I had that surgery on October the 15th, and it did not go well. I was told that when they went in, they discovered there was too much damage done, and the cuff itself was deteriorated to the point where they could not reattach it. So with that, they sent me home and said they were going to set me up an appointment with a shoulder specialist. So they did that, set up the appointment. I went to see the shoulder specialist, and he advised me that the best option would be for me to have a reverse shoulder replacement. Alrighty, so I asked about that, what was all involved, and they explained it to me and my girlfriend. And one thing that he said that helped make the decision was that it would help alleviate the pain that I was experiencing at that time, and with the torn rotator cuff. He said that if I decided not to go with the reverse shoulder replacement, that I would have to basically live with that pain. So I didn't want to do that. So me and my girlfriend, we discussed it and decided to go ahead with the reverse shoulder replacement. Alright, viewers, if you like this video, then hit that thumbs up button. And for those of you who have not done so yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And feel free to leave a comment. But yep, so I went to have the reverse shoulder replacement on March 3rd of this year. The procedure went well. I can't say it went well because my girlfriend told me that the surgeon came out and told her that they had to stop the procedure a couple times because my blood pressure dropped to a level that they were not comfortable with proceeding on. So they were able to get it back up a level that they were comfortable with, and they were able to go ahead and complete the surgery. But the procedure was supposed to take just an hour and a half. My girlfriend said that it took over 3.5 hours. But they kept me overnight to monitor my vitals and to make sure everything was good before discharging me. And which that did happen. The next day I was discharged, and he sent me home in a sling and had one of those cushions on the side attached to my waist for the, I guess that's keep my arm away from my body. I guess keep it still. But I had to wear that thing 24/7. 24/7. Wasn't able to drive for 4 weeks, and it was kind of difficult managing to do certain things with one arm. But hey, I managed it. But as far as the pain level, it did not get over a 5. Like I said, there's very little to no pain. I'll put it that way. Even though they did send me home with some pain medication, and I think I only took it twice. As far as any pain that I had, I took Tylenol, and that helped to alleviate the pain. But sleeping, I had to get used to sleeping on one side, and it wasn't the side I was usually sleep on. But hey, I managed to get through that and got some good sleep. Things like you have to be able to make adjustments for, which I did. But right now, I am out of the sling, and as you can see, I'm back on Metallica riding. But I did go through physical therapy, and that definitely helped regain my range of motion, and which really helped. Getting back to normal now. But yeah, physical therapy, I did that at Ambassador Physical Therapy in Matthews. A great group of people there. Seem to be very knowledgeable too. But I am so happy to be able to get back and ride Metallica again. Right now, I'm not feeling any pain or discomfort in the right shoulder. My hand on the throttle, and just everything feels good. But I am looking forward to getting back and riding with the U.S. Spider Riders Charlotte Metro chapter again, which I am a member of. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. But boy, it's been a long haul. Metallica's been sitting in the garage, basically tied to a battery tender all that time. Yeah, and keep the fluids moving in it. But I'm glad to be back out on Metallica. Glad to be back out here riding. Because this was such a beautiful day to be riding. But right now, I think that I'm going to go ahead and enjoy the rest of this ride, listen to some music, and in parting, as always, ride strong, ride safe. Always remember, ride to ride another day. This is Road Dog. I'm out.